In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the financial year in Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a small business owner taking your first steps into managing finances, knowing how to adjust the financial year settings to align with your fiscal strategy is crucial. So let's delve straight into the steps to seamlessly navigate Zoho Books and make these adjustments. To get started, log into your Zoho Books account. If you don't have your login credentials handy, take a moment to gather those and ensure you're able to access your account securely. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you'll notice a variety of features designed to help you manage your financial operations efficiently. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll spot the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Clicking on this icon is your doorway to customizing the different facets of your Zoho Books account. Once inside the settings menu, you'll see numerous options. Focus on finding the Profile option, located under Organization Profile. Select this, and you'll be taken to a page that offers insights into your organization's details. Scroll down this page until you reach the section labeled Regional Settings. This is a pivotal area where you can make changes that reflect your company's location-specific financial and operational preferences. Pay particular attention to the field that says Fiscal Year. You'll see a drop-down menu here. Clicking on this menu will provide you with a list of months. Carefully choose the start month that suits the needs of your business's new financial year. This choice is important as it determines how your financial periods are structured and reported. Once you have selected the desired start month for your financial year, take a moment to review your selection. It's always a good idea to double-check that this aligns with any strategic changes your organization might be implementing, such as budget cycles or tax planning considerations. With that confidence, you're ready to make it official. To finalize your changes, look to the bottom of the page and locate the Save button. By clicking Save, your adjustments will be applied, reconfiguring your financial year settings to reflect your newly chosen parameters. This step is essential to ensuring that your reports and financial statements will adhere to the new start month you've selected. And that's it! You've now successfully changed the financial year in Zoho Books. This process not only aligns your financial operations with strategic plans, but also helps ensure your compliance with regulatory timelines. Keep in mind that making these changes early in your financial planning cycle is always beneficial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Happy bookkeeping!